we are back with the new episode of the Dental Surveyor. This is basically the niche surveyor, which is a basic surveyor which is mostly used for the designing of the cast partial denture. Guys, this is surveying platform, this is surveying table, and this is also known as the cast holder. Why this is called as a cast holder? So let's understand this. So here this is basically attached with the cast which we need to survey. So here that is why this is called as cast holder. So this cast holder is attached to the base with the help of some joint that is called as ball and socket joint. So there is a use of this joint because with the help of this joint we can give the tilt for this cast. For an example, let's understand, like if I am losing this joint, so I am able to just tilt this cast in anterior wise, either it will be the posterior or it could be the right lateral or it could be the left lateral. So we can give the different tilt according to what we require and what are the desires according to the patient situations. So this is all about the surveying table. And here also one more thing which you need to understand, there are 3 hooks over the surveying table. Some students also might get confused like how we have to attach the cast over the surveying table. So here, because there is an anterior, there is one, and the posterior there is 2 hook. So in the anterior part we have to place the cast on the anterior aspects, like between the 2 central incisors, and this will goes at the posterior. Now once we will stable the cast on this cast holder, now it's time to learn about all other parts of the surveyor. So here we could understand, this is the vertical arm, this is the horizontal arm of the surveyor, and this is basically the surveying arm. So this surveying arm can be flexible, like with the help of this screw. Here we can, if we have loosened this screw, then it is flexible, like we can keep it down, keep it up according to what the situation we need. So this is a surveying tool. Here we could understand like these all the tools which is present in the surveying tool. So here first we need to understand what are the different tools. So first, this is the analyzing rod. We could see this is very in a straight way, there is no any angles, only analyzing rod. This is analyzing rod which is used to basically analyze over the cast. So what we do basically, we just keep this analyzing rod under the, because here there is a mandrel present over there. With the help of this we can loosen it out and we can keep this analyzing rod inside it, and then this surveying table on over the cast, then we can analyze the cast according by placing this surveying analyzing rod. So the second surveying tool is we have the carbon marker. So this is basically the carbon marker which we have, we can easily use once we have analyzed the cast, both the labial aspect as well as the lingual aspects, when we need to mark with the help of carbon marker. And the third tool that we have in this niche surveyor, that is undercut gauge. So here there are 3 undercut gauge. You could see over here there are 3 undercut gauge, which is the name under 0.01 inch, 0.02 and 0.03. So these all undercuts have different functions, because to get a proper path of insertion, right? Because ultimately what happens when we give the RPT to the patients, many times what happens, the patient are suffering, like if the RPT goes inside the patient mouth but it is not coming back. These all things happen because we are not doing in a correct way, like surveying. So if we will do the surveying and then we will design the removable partial denture, see the drastically change in that, like it will easily go inside the patient mouth and we can easily remove it out as well. So the last, that is the wax trimmer, we basically use to trim the excess wax over there. So thank you.